Where are we? And where's this butterfly going? It's Jungle Phonics. It's phonics letters 6. Y, x, ch, sh, and th. But we'll begin with the y sound. Smile, yak. Which one has the y sound? Time's up. That's right. Y for yak. 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 Next is the x sound. Fox. Glasses. Which one has the x sound? Time's up. Did you get it? Yes, fox ends with the x sound. Ox. The next sound is ch. Cheese. Slide. Which one has the ch sound? Time's up. Did you hear the sound? That's right. It's in the ch for cheese. The next sound is sh. Cloud. Shop. Which one has the sh sound? Time's up. Did you get it? Yes. Sh for shop. Sh up. The next sound is thumb, skate. Which one has the sound? Time's up. Did you get it? Yes! For thumb. Can you hold up your thumb? Wow, you have got all the phonics letters sound 6. Let's read them aloud. Y, x, ch, sh, and th. Well done for finding all the letter 6 sounds. Keep practicing Mama T Phonics to keep learning your reading. See you next time. If you would like to practice your phonics and letter sounds more at home, then visit my Etsy or Teachers Pay Teachers shop. Just look up Mama T Phonics. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up underneath the screen. Wait, before you go, subscribe to my videos.